In an ugly development, at least 18 persons were injured, and as many as 3 houses and 5 vehicles were set ablaze in a confrontation among people of Charoi Pandongba village under Kangchup Galjang subdivision in Kangpokpi district. According to sources, the scuffle broke out at around 10:30 a.m., with one group of villagers supporting resettlement of the family of a banished village chief of Charoi Pandongba and others opposing the move. The heated exchange of words ultimately led to a clash, with the two sides hurling stones at each other, some using slingshots, leaving 4 villagers injured, sources said. The condition of one of the 4 injured persons is said to be critical, and he has been rushed to Imphal for treatment, while the 3 others are said to have been admitted at PHC Noni. It is also believed that more persons, including police personnel, may have been injured during the confrontation. The sources also maintained that 3 houses and 1 pan shop were gutted in a fire and reduced to cinders during the incident. Timely act of the villagers stopped the spread of the fire, and further damage of properties was prevented. Moreover, 4 vehicles parked along the highway were also torched during the scuffle, and 2 got completely burned. It is said that the chief and his 6 family members were ostracized from the village, allegedly for selling village land without the consent of the villagers and carrying out other self-centered activities, and the family was forced to take shelter at Charoi Zagotlong Tupul village. Following the exclusion, a JAC for restoration of peace and normalcy in Pongringlung was making efforts for resettlement of the family in the village, the sources said. The altercation broke out with members of the JAC entering Pongringlung village, where Section 144 of CRPC was already imposed by District Magistrates of Kangpokpi and Nonai since yesterday, the sources added. Following the incident, a meeting participated by civil society organizations, top police officials, and JAC members was convened at Tupul. It said, while adding that security measures have been taken up to prevent further deterioration of the situation in this area.